Most DJs think they're not good enough yet. They think they need more transitions, more effects, more tricks. But the truth is, a lot of you guys are already good enough, but you just may not recognize it yet. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 signs that you're already a good enough DJ, even if you are still learning. You are listening to the DJ Mentor. Real tips, real music, real growth. So you're back with DJ Mentor Neo, and I play at many places in Bali, and I frequent a lot of those places just as a guest as well, listening to the music, listening to the DJs. And I noticed something very interesting whenever I hear some beginner DJs play. So what I notice is even though some of them might technically know less, they feel the room better. And the truth is that's all that matters. Your first job as a DJ is to play the right song at the exact right moment. There's one perfect moment for that one perfect song. That is your first job. Cool transitions and tricks are cool. However, stick to the basics, or let's start with the basics at least. The first sign you're already a good DJ is simple. It's people responding to your track selection. Not your transitions, not your effects, but your track selection. So if you drop a track and people start nodding their heads, they start moving, or they start asking, what track is this? They start shazamming, they start trying to take pictures of your deck. That is a very, very good sign. That is the number one good sign. And that honestly means you have good taste. And I think that's about 70% of DJing, having good musical taste. A perfect transition into a boring track will clear the dance floor. And obviously that is not what you like, but a great track will keep people moving. Sign number 2, you think about energy rather than BPM. So the second sign you're already a good DJ is when you stop obsessing over the speed, but rather you start thinking about the energy and then maintaining the energy flow throughout the night or throughout the day, whenever you're playing your set. So beginners think like this. This track is 124 BPM. The next track should be 124 BPM. That is wrong. Good DJs instead think like this. Where's the energy going next? Sometimes it means going deeper. Sometimes it means uplifting the room. So if you start thinking about the journey of the set, you're already thinking like a real DJ, like a good DJ. So the third sign you're a good DJ is that you can freestyle your set without panicking. Like in the moment, switch it up. Obviously, you can create your playlists, your crates, maybe even a selection of songs that work well together. Do that all the time, of course. However, sometimes the energy will shift, the crowd will shift, and you have to adapt on the fly. Your ability to adapt is a good sign you are a good DJ. That means you can trust your ears, you can trust your library, and then use your intuition based off of what you're noticing in that specific moment. Your ability to adapt in real time is the biggest difference between a beginner and a professional DJ. So freestyle, let loose, get jiggy with it. So the funny thing is, most DJs think they need crazy tricks or perfect transitions to be good DJs. However, if you watch the best DJs in the world, they're actually just doing 3 things exceptionally well. And none of those 3 things are perfect crazy transitions every 30 seconds or crazy cool tricks. Instead, they're simply perfecting track selection, they are controlling the energy, and they are reading the room. So good track selection, energy control, adapting to what they notice and see in the moment, and reading the room, and again, adapting to what is happening right there in the moment. If you're already developing those skills, you are much closer than you think already. And if you want to get better faster, I actually coach DJs online. We work on things like building your set, confidence beyond the deck. So that includes transitions, using effects. We work on finding new gigs and developing your own sound, which I think is very, very important because that makes you marketable and it helps you stand out in the sea of many, many, many DJs. So if you want to work with me, you can click the link below. And guys, make sure you're working on those skills and you are much closer than you think. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.